Hey guys, Connor Jones here, and I bring you System Test 6. Okay, so I'm just gonna get into things right away. I'm not really gonna do much talking. So first off, here's the 6632, same as always, and as you can see, actually, I've just been getting tired of having, I've just been getting tired of these trouble LEDs, so I actually just, I duct taped them up just so that it would kind of look a little better. I mean, it's not the most professional job, but I'm just gonna have to improvise until I get the right stuff to clear the troubles, so, yeah, that's the, 6632. And also, as you can see, I have removed a zone, and I will kind of get into that later. But as for now, I'm just going to go over the system really quickly. Also, as you can see, I've actually removed the annunciator, and I did that because I don't really think that the annunciator is necessary because I'm in such a small room. It's kind of pointless. Plus, the wiring was just so messy, so what I did is I also wrapped duct tape around all the wiring coming into the panel because we don't have any conduit at the moment, but I will be getting conduit eventually. Okay, so I will go over the pull stations first. So here's the first one. Now this is an interesting pull station. This is an Edwards 270 SPO, but it was actually, when I got it, it was all blue. And as you can see, I've tried to sandpaper off the blue, but it didn't really end up doing, it didn't work out in the end, so I just left it how it was. But what this pull station was painted blue is because it was for halon fire systems. And now if you don't know what halon is, it's a type of fire, it's a type of extinguishing chemical that puts out fires. So like say, it would be mostly used in like an electrical room, or like a room where there are a lot of computers, and if there's an electrical fire you do not want to use water, you would use halon, which is safer, and then you would pull this to mark it, as opposed to red, which would be like a regular fire alarm system. Okay, so over here, on this spot, I have my BG8. And now I just had the BG8 because I kind of like having key-activated pull stations rather than screwdriver ones, but I don't have enough to make up on the full system, but this is pretty good. I have my BG8, you've seen it before. Zone 3, I have my BG10. I have moved it, or I'm now have it over here. And I had it here before a couple system tests ago, but I moved it, or I didn't use it for some reason, I don't know why. Yeah, that's Zone 3. Zone 4 is smoke detectors are again the same as normal, as well as the duct smoke. Zone 5, actually, here is my FCI MS6 pull station. It is the same as always, you've seen it before also. And there is no more Zone 6, well, at least not here, because we had a bunch of stuff that we had to move in here, and at first I thought that I would have to take down this pull station, so I did, and then I realized we didn't have to, but I'm not going to put it back up, and you're going to see why. I did, however, have my BG12 there before I took it all down. But the reason I didn't put up is because I have put, actually, first off, if you notice here, I have removed the 6602. And that is because I moved it over here. Yeah, I moved it here, and that's why I was kind of up close on the BG10, because I didn't want you to see it yet. So the reason I moved the 6602 over here is because I didn't want everything to be all clumped up, because that wasn't realistic. Like everything's normal and all that. And I also duct taped it up, kind of, sort of, yeah, whatever. Yeah, I have it over here, because with the two pull stations right side by side, that wasn't really realistic. Plus, like, pretty much all the stuff that was on this panel system was just clumped up in that space, and I wanted to spread it out. But I do still have the 4251 right here, same as always, and I put duct tape on every over all the wiring just to kind of substitute for conduit. Yeah, the 4251. This smoke detector, which I actually got for the high school, I keep forgetting to mention that, actually. It came out because this smoke detector actually caused a false alarm at our high school a year ago. And I already told the high school if they ever do any like replacements or anything to let me know, because I'd be willing to take it off their hands. And sure enough, a day later they come to me and they give me this smoke detector, and it actually works just fine. So yeah, that's same as always. And for the other pull station, I have this, you already saw it a bit earlier, the 2099 over the stopper. I still wanted the stopper because if more stuff does get stacked here, I didn't want it to damage the pull station. Okay, and now finally for the notification appliances. First, I'm going to start here. Now, this bell you've seen before. This is my 439D 6WAC vibrating Edwards bell, 6-inch. Yeah, you saw it in System Test 1, but I now have it on the small system. And over here, now this is a device that you've seen, but I have not put on my system yet. It is my System Sensor L series, and now it is set on temporal low volume, code 3, I guess. Yeah, it basically sounds like a Spectra Alert Advance, only it just has a newer design. To me, it just looks like the Spectra Classic and the Advance put together, like a bit similar design of the Classic, but has the same sound as an Advance. Even though it is multi-tone, I have it on the Spectra Alert Advance tone, I don't know, mechanical tone, I guess you could call it. And yeah, so I guess we will go ahead and pull... You know what, I think I'm going to start with the smaller system, so I'm just going to put that on silent test right away. So let's do the stopper pull station. Let's do the 2099. Alright, and the system obviously is on March time because I kind of fixed it to do that. Alright, here we go. Okay, there's the 2099. And you know what? Why not? Let's do the 42. Actually, no. You know what? Let's do the duct smoke. I actually haven't done that one in a while. Properly, I guess. I did it last video for the kind of alarm verification and demonstration, but I guess I'll do it for here. Alright. Sometimes it takes a bit, and other times it goes... Yeah, there we go. Zone 1 on this panel, Zone 6 on that panel. So as you can see, Zone 6 was activated. Let's go ahead and reset. Back to the one piezo. Okay, so let's pull the main system. And now for this, I think I'm going to start with this pull station because I've never demonstrated it before. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the strobe is set on 15 candela. It's not very loud. I put a bit of tape over the horn. Go ahead and reset the pull station. Grab my screwdriver. Sometimes it doesn't close properly. Let's go ahead and reset. Alright, so let's activate that smoke detector with a magnet. Don't worry, next system test 7, I will have a proper, or I will have different smoke detectors up. There we go. It's not very bright. The strobe isn't bright for 15 candela. It is multi-candela though, so... Alright. You know what? Which pull station should I do last? You know what? I think I'll do the MS6, just because I haven't really shown that pull station much. Anyways, even in the last system test I used it with. So here we go. You know what? What the heck? Let's activate the 4251, which will trip the big panel. So let me just get my key. All right, here we go. Alright, that's been System Test 6 for you. And stay tuned, System Test 7 will be in mid-February. Okay, bye.